I say big up all my viewers and subscribers, you know, man. You don't know, see I talk today, man. Talkup Talkup Tv1. Alright, so pertaining to the competition that we had, we are given first prize $20,000 one brand new Apple IPod. Second prize $10,000 chance come in a movie. Third prize $5,000 chance come in a movie. Everybody can come in a movie. So what I go on now, I was trying to compile all the video and make one single post, and you guys would vote under the comment section. But due to the different quality in the videos, I am unable to join them all. So what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to post them, you understand, and the video with the most likes, we're going to use likes, you understand, because views, yeah, likes and views, so we determine that by the likes and the views, you see me? So the video with the most likes will be the winner, and that person will get the top prize, you understand? So just look out, the video then soon drop shortly, you see me? I'm going to take this time to big up everybody who support the channel from so far. Enough respect, Christmas are coming on the corner, blessing when it forward, you understand? We want to big up Miss Novelet from Chicago. She was the one who came up with this idea, you understand? And you know, Talkup Talkup Tv1 will modify it and just present it to you guys. So do the right thing, support the thing, you understand? Big up all the actors, them, all of the actors, them, everybody have a comment. Big up Miss Jules, Chris Charmian, Miss Reed, big up yourself, Wayne, Francisco, everybody, big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, man. So, and if you're out there now, you want to do something for kids and my people, because we have planned for going in our community and do something simple, you understand? Probably give us something to some kids. We really need it. We don't know what things set already, but we have a plan to do that. Anybody can contribute. You don't know the thing, just link me in the comment section, you understand? Check out the PayPal thing there, in the about, you know, contribute. You can state what you want to do or anything you want to do. We try to give back for the Christmas, you understand? So watch now, stay tuned and watch the video. If you like a video, share, because all the likes and the views make them win, you understand? Enough respect and blessing. Yeah.